Welcome back. In today's session, we're tackling a practical SQL problem. Finding the percentage of immediate orders in the first orders of all customers. This is a common scenario in sales analytics, and we'll look at two different solutions. One using a compact CTE with a window function, and another using SQL variables. Here's the problem. We have an orders table with fields for order number, customer number, order date, and target ship date. An order is called immediate if the order date equals the target ship date. We define a customer's first orders as all orders placed on their earliest order date. Note that a customer could have multiple orders on that day. Our goal: find the percentage of immediate orders among these first orders, rounded to 2 decimal places. For example, if 2 customers each have first orders, and only one has an immediate order, the result should be 50%. The expected output should be something like the following. Now let's see CTE plus window function and step-by-step explanation. Firstly, common table expression CTE creation. We use rank, partitioned by customer number, and ordered by order date to identify each customer's earliest orders. If a customer placed multiple orders on their first day, all of them get RK equals 1. Secondly, filtering first orders in the outer query, where RK equals 1 keeps only those first day orders. Thirdly, counting immediate orders, case when order date equals target ship date, then 1, else 0, and flags immediate orders with 1 and others with 0. Sum gives us the number of immediate orders. Finally, calculating percentage, we divide the immediate order count by the total number of first orders, count, all rows, multiply by 100.0 and round 2 for 2 decimal places. Intuition. We essentially isolate the first day orders and then see what percentage of them are immediate. Execute the query, and we can see immediate underscore percentage is 81.99%. Now let's solve the problem using SQL variables. We need to declare and reference variables initially. In SQL Server, variables must be prefixed with @. At total customers will store the total count of first day orders. At immediate order customers will store the count of immediate first day orders. Then set at total customers is to find each customer's earliest order date with min order date. Join back to the orders table to get all first day orders, then count all rows to count all first day orders across all customers and stores that number in at total customers. Set at immediate order customers is to count the immediate first day orders, and we'll use the same logic but count only where order date equals target ship date. The count here will ignore null values, so this effectively counts only the first day orders that are immediate. At immediate order customers divided by at total customers determine the fraction of immediate first day orders. Multiply by 100. 0 converts fraction to percentage. Round 2 keeps only 2 decimal places. And as immediate underscore percentage output column name. Both approaches give the same result. However, the CTE with a window function is more compact, often easier to read, and can be more efficient because it avoids multiple passes through the data. The variable approach is more step-by-step and explicit, useful if you want to store intermediate results for debugging or reporting. In summary, by identifying first orders with either rank or min, and comparing order dates with target ship dates, we can calculate the percentage of immediate first orders. This technique is valuable in performance tracking, logistics optimization, and customer behavior analysis. That's it for this problem. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.